Okay, here we are at Rush Truck Center at their 2 gas tanks here. So as you see, I have it set up with that connection there on the actual tank and another with the same connection, all running to the regulator. Regulator looks to be 1-inch pipe and then goes along here and then immediately switches to 2-inch pipe. But I'm imagining this section here for the regulator is where we would initially tap in. And then once it hits that 2-inch pipe, obviously it goes up, splits, and goes to either side of the building in the service space.